blouse design with designer fabric and lining. Here the blouse sleeve is puff sleeve. On the waistline border is there. This is a decorative lace, and on the bottom this is the decorative frill. This is for front part with round neckline. Back part is finished with the keyhole shape. This is a diamond shape, and edges finished with the lace. Mainly the highlight part is fabric, designer fabric. This is the katora cut blouse combination with yellow and polka dot of black and white fabric, and sleeve is decorated with piping. This is a too short sleeve, and the belt part is also with the same fabric with matching to the sleeve, round neckline. This is the front part of the blouse. Back part of the blouse neckline design is asymmetrical shape. This part is on right hand side decorated with the strip of both the color combination of the fabric, and here some decorative patch is there, golden color of patch. This is the designer neckline shape. Beautiful red fabric, embroidered fabric combination with off-white tissue fabric. This is a designer blouse with puff sleeve, and the bottom of the sleeve is finished with the strip of red, and this is a frill of tissue fabric of white, and the same is sleeve. So this is the front part of the blouse with slight diamond shape, square shape neckline. Back neckline is designer. This is a shoulder part is with red fabric only, and the neckline shape is from one armhole to another is finished with the frill of tissue fabric, and this is a beautiful neckline design and blouse. This is the pista green color check printed blouse, is katora cut blouse with belt with short sleeve, and the sleeve is finished with the mirror work lace with the step cut of neck shape for the front part. Back part of the same blouse neckline is square shape, and the edges of the neckline is finished with the mirror work lace, and this is the back part of the blouse. This is a simple blouse, neckline and sleeve bottom is finished with the lace, very narrow lace, and simple and beautiful. Back part of the same blouse is finished with the pointed round neck shape and with the decorative laces placed in a different shape to highlight the blouse back. One more simple blouse with color combination of green and orange, and the sleeve is little tulip shape. Here the sleeve bottom shape is there and decorated with a bow, small bow of green color fabric, and this is the diamond neckline for the front of the blouse. Back part of the same blouse is with designer neckline. This is a little one scallop here, and this is a pointed round shape, and this strip is made with the combination of green and orange fabric, and this is coming up to the waistline. This is a beautiful blouse, designer blouse.